Hello, my friend. Home cleaning can be repetitive and time-consuming, but with the right tools, it can become more enjoyable and efficient. In this video, I'll introduce 5 incredibly handy home cleaning tools that are essential for making cleaning a breeze. Let's get started. Number 1. Crevice Brushes. Crevice brushes are essential for cleaning because they allow access to various nooks, crannies, and tight spaces that standard cleaning tools cannot reach. These brushes are designed to fit into different shapes and sizes of gaps, making it easier to remove dust, dirt, and debris from areas that are otherwise hard to access. This bottle and cup brushes are designed to effortlessly access difficult-to-reach areas within the lid or the bottom of the bottle or cup. I also use this brush to clean my little lemon squeezer. This small brush features sandpaper wrapped at the end of a plastic stick, making it handy for removing food stains from burners. The brush is conveniently sized to fit in the hand, making it very easy to use. This angled brush is effective for cleaning computer keyboards. Invert the keyboard and gently shake to remove debris. Dampen the angled brush with a mild solution of water and gentle soap. Carefully brush between each key and into crevices. Using a microfiber cloth to wrap down the surface and sides of the keyboard. Window grooves accumulate dust and debris daily. I opt for small, narrow brushes with soft microfiber material to eliminate loose dirt, dust, and stains from the window grooves. Toothbrushes, paintbrushes, or detailing brushes can also effectively perform this task. I've just discovered this small flat brush, and it's proven to be more effective than a toothbrush for reaching into every corner under the toilet seat cover for cleaning. Once the cleaning is done, you can simply dispose of it. Number 2. Damp duster sponge. After seeing my friend use this sponge, I decided to give it a try myself. The sponge is made of soft plastic material that resembles foam and measures 4 by 2 inches, making it easy to grip. Prior to use, it's recommended to moisten the sponge as it exhibits excellent water absorption. This versatile sponge can be used to wipe away dust from various surfaces in your home, including windows and fences. Its key feature is its ability to trap dust during wiping, preventing it from scattering. Additionally, the sponge is designed with 10 grooves that make it effortless to remove dust particles and hair. It can be easily rinsed clean, allowing for repeated use. The sponge does a great job of cleaning the countertop and drying up the water. Number 3. Bendable cleaning brush. There are numerous areas in our home that are not flat or square in shape, such as the bathtub and shower booth. When cleaning these curved surfaces, I opt for this flexible brush designed for non-flat surfaces. Constructed from PVC, this brush can be easily bent to adapt to curved areas. Its versatility also makes it well suited for cleaning shoes and clothes. Number 4. Clip-on mop. A mop is indispensable for keeping my bathroom floor clean, especially with daily wetness and hair accumulation. This compact clip-on mop features automatic towel clamping. Accommodating both paper and fabric towels. It effortlessly reaches and cleans difficult corners, eliminating the need to kneel while cleaning. This mop is incredibly convenient as it doesn't require any direct hand contact. After cleaning, you can effortlessly release the handle to dispose of the used paper towel. It truly makes the cleaning process effortless. Number 5. Cordless stick vacuum for hard floor. I consider a cordless stick vacuum to be one of my essential everyday cleaning tools. I keep one conveniently stored near my kitchen and use it after cooking and eating to quickly clean up the floor. Cordless stick vacuums are lightweight and easy to maneuver. They are versatile and can be used on different floor types, from carpets to hard floors, and even for cleaning upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. It is compact and easy to store. Thanks for watching. I hope you found these top 5 handy home cleaning tools as useful as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning tips and product recommendations. See you in the next video.